Yes, we have tried our best, and be rest assured that there is always the next time. As Benjamin Mays, former president of Morehouse College in Atlanta, Georgia, said, "It must be borne in mind that the tragedy of life lies in not reaching your goal. The tragedy lies in having no goal to reach. It isn't a calamity to die with dreams unfulfilled, but it is a calamity not to dream. It is not a disaster to be unable to capture your ideal, but it is a disaster to have no ideal to capture. Not failure, but low aim is seen." Some countries, Morocco, Egypt, Tunisia, exited 2-3 weeks ago. We have come this far, so close. Be rest assured that will come back roaring stronger in the next dispensation. There is a cause for celebration. We are the second best footballing nation in Africa. You have no cause to be sad. We have every cause to celebrate. The nation is proud of you. You are the source of our national unity. It's when the Super Eagle plays. No race, no region, no religion. You unite the nation. The nation is in grip, but the nation is in solidarity with you. Be rest assured that your names will be written in gold in the annals of contemporary football history in Nigeria. Please, I convey to you the best wishes and regards from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There is no need for you to be sad. On Wednesday, we were celebrating. And we came so close. We lost within a span of 15 minutes. But that's in the nature of games. The most important thing is that whichever way the pendulum swings, it's Africa that wins. This is the African Cup of Unity. And it came to West Africa, at least. That's our consolation. So please, gentlemen, there is every cause for us to rejoice and celebrate with one another. There is every cause for us to unite. Look at our mistakes and make amends in the next dispensation. Honestly, we are very proud of you. And the nation will adequately compensate you for your sacrifices. You left your clubs and came and worked for the nation. You came to the finals, so close. So there is no cause for you to be remorseful. There is no cause for you to be sad. There is every cause for us to feel proud of our nation, of our achievements, in a very hostile environment. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all.
Blame God. I think God has a special way of awarding them the match. And I think what we have to do is take it in the spirit of sportsmanship. Go back home and then get better. And it's getting better. Having a second position is not a bad position. They hosted the competition, and just God gave them grace from coming from where the best loser and to win the cup. It means that God just decided to reward them. God of football.
Let's see, how would you rate what the fans did today? We saw virtually one color in the entire stadium.
Well, this is one of the issues that has to do with Africa. It has to do with African competitions. They you allow an equal participation. But in this case, they gave them everything, and they are in their hometown. So, what do we do?
Reward for the Super Eagles?
They've done well. I think we have to strategize and grow from strength to strength. And at the same time, to thank the team and management, because we really fought. We have the best result in the whole competition. So for me, it's a good game. It's a game of football. You win some days, you lose some days. But today, we did well. Even though you can see the match is highly occupied, and then the fans were, pushing so much. Yeah.
Thank you, distinguished.
Thank you.
Nationalité de Dieu, c'est ivoirien. C'est ce que je peux dire. Nationalité de Dieu, c'est ivoirien. Félicitez.